UEM September NAV total return was up 1.3%, underperforming the MSCI Emerging Markets Total Return Index, which increased by 7.5% in sterling terms. Given UEM's focus on infrastructure and utilities, the underexposure to AI is the prime reason for underperformance this month. Overall, most markets saw positive performance, fueled by the ongoing AI euphoria, as well as the anticipated US interest rate cut of 25 basis points. This resulted in US markets reaching an all-time high during the month, with the S&P 500 index up 3.5% and the Nasdaq index up 5.6%. This AI optimism was also reflected within the Asian markets. The Hang Seng index, also helped by increased liquidity in the Chinese market, was up 7.1%, while the Taiwanese market was up 6.6%. Elsewhere in Asia, the Indonesian market was up 2.9%, Thai set index up 3%, and the Philippines markets down 3.3% on the back of weaker macroeconomic data. India was up marginally by 0.8%. Within LATAM, performance was somewhat overshadowed by the AI drive. The Brazilian Bovespa was up 3.4%, helped by the central bank holding rates at 11%, the Colombian market up 1.4%, and the Mexican market up 7.2%, boosted by Pemex credit upgrade. The Argentine market suffered, down 10.7% on the back of worse than expected provincial electoral results for President Milei in the province of Buenos Aires. Portfolio-wise, there was one change to the top 30 holdings in September. Celsia, an integrated utilities company listed in Colombia with operations across the Americas, replaced Rumo. The portfolio's performance was mixed over the period, though. The Brazilian companies continued to recover, with Eletrobras being the outperformer, up 16.3%, on the back of an announced capital allocation strategy expected to boost dividends, and also the improvement of long-term power prices in Brazil. Subes was up 7.9%, and Alapar and Capel both up 7.1%. Other top performers were Kinks, up by 15.8%, benefiting from positive AI market sentiment, as well as two shareholders increasing their position within the company. Helios Towers also increased 13.7%, benefiting from interest rate reductions, whilst NHPC, the Indian hydro power company, was up by 11.6% as commenced work on a 2.9 gigawatt project. Weak performers during the month were InPost, down 15.9%, despite reasonable 2Q25 results, due to mounting concerns about its future relationship with Allegro, a key client. Sunny Vision was also down 10.1%, despite reasonable 2Q25 results, as there was a lack of new orders announced, which was disappointing, whilst Manila Water was down 8.8% on the back of profit-taking after strong share price performance. FPT decreased by 8.5% as foreign shareholders continued to sell, despite improvement in its order book. UEM share price increased by 2% in September, ending the month at 255p, with the discount narrowing to 10.5%. UEM continued to buy back shares. During the month, a dividend of 2.325 pence per share was paid, and UEM held its AGM and GM, where 97.6% voted in favour to amend its Articles of Association and to approve the continuation of UEM for another 5 years until the AGM in 2030. For more details, please do read UEM September fact sheet, which is available on the website at uemtrust.co.uk.